everyone, welcome to my online class and I am Parjay. Chapter number 30 of mathematics. The title of this chapter is Measures of Time. So through this video we will learn about some exercises of this chapter number 30. And the title of this chapter is what? Measures of time. This is the third part of this chapter. In previous two part, we have done some exercise of this chapter also, but I am going to write some info byte information. Okay, info byte. मतलब पहले हम लोग कुछ सीखेंगे, स्टार्ट करेंगे यूनिट की मीजर्स ऑफ टाइम का। हम लोगों ने अभी क्लॉक बनाया, हेड बनाया, ये सब सीखा। अभी हम लोग और कुछ सीखेंगे। तो क्या सीखेंगे? हम लोग सीखेंगे ए दिस इज क्वेश्चन, दिस इज नॉट क्वेश्चन, दिस इज इंफॉर्मेशन of unit related to this time, measures of time. Okay, so one, I am going to start from smaller unit, till bigger unit. So 1 minute, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. One day equal to 24 hours. Okay, 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 month equal to 30 or 30 days. 1 month equal to 4 weeks. 1 month equal to 4 weeks. 1 year equal to 365 days. 1 year equal to 52 weeks. 1 leap year equal to 366 days. Okay, now I am going to write this side. 1 year equal to 12 months. So these are some information about this chapter. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 day equal to 24 hours, 1 week equal to 7 days, 1 month equal to 30 days, 1 month equal to 4 weeks, 1 year equal to 365 days in normal year, 1 year equal to 52 weeks, 1 leap year equal to 366 days, 1 year equal to 12 months. So these are some information about this chapter. Okay, and we know that there are, we can write in a sentence like this: there are 12 months in a year, and there are 7 days in a week. In a week. So understood everyone? This is information wise. Now come to the next things. Understood? You can, all of you will learn this information part or this unit. Date. Name of date. Monday. Monday is the first day of the week, and Sunday is the last day of the week. So I am going to write the name or date from Monday. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These are name of the dates. Sunday, Monday. This is the name of the date. Okay. And now I am going to write some. And next things I am going to write the name of months. Name of months. Next thing is name of month. And this side we will write in which month, how many days in which month, or how many days a month of particular, how many days of a particular month. Okay, so we know that January is the first month of a year. So I am going to write the name of the month January, January, February, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So you can see that I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months. 4 months is left. I will write after this one. Okay. So we know that January had 31 days. January had 31 days. February had 28 days or 29 days in a leap year. Okay, 28 days और 29 days in a leap year. ओके, फरवरी में 28 डेज ही होता है, लेकिन लीप ईयर में 29 डेज का फरवरी हो जाता है. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव रिटन 29 डेज इन अ लीप ईयर. लीप ईयर में 29 डेज होता है, जिसमें फरवरी में. मार्च 31 डेज, अप्रैल 30 डेज, मई 31 डेज, जून 30 डेज, जुलाई 31 डेज, अगस्त 31 days. So this side I have written the name of month, and that side I have written name of number of days. Number of days in a particular month. In January 31 days, February 28 days, or in a leap year 29 days, March 31, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, and August 31 days. Okay. Now, after these things, I am going to write left 4 months, name of 4 months. Okay. August, A to G U S T, August, September, October, 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 November, November, and finally December. So you can see that January is the first month of a year and the December is the last month of a year. So September, how many days in the September? In the month of September, 30 days. So we will write 30 days in a month of September है. October 31 days. October है 31 days. Okay. November once again 30 days. And December had 31 days. 31. So this is so simple. We can learn easily with the help of some trick. When you हम लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं, इसको कैसे याद रखेंगे? तो देखिए, विद द हेल्प ऑफ आवर फिस्ट, मुट्ठी के द्वारा हम लोग जो है इसको याद रख सकते हैं. दिस इज ए राइजिंग पार्ट and this is depth part of our fist. So this part of our fist we can count it 31 days. So you can see that like this: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So this part of our fist is muthi. This part of our fist had 31 days. We count 31 days of rest part of our fish. जहाँ जहाँ पर ये रेस्ट पार्ट है, ये उठा हुआ जो भाग है, ये 31 डेज काउंट करते हैं. और जहाँ पर ये डेप्थ पार्ट है, ये अंदर का पार्ट है, ठीक है, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, 30 डेज काउंट करते हैं. सो देखिए, वंस अगेन, जनवरी 31 डेज, जनवरी, फरवरी 28 to 29 days, March once again 31 days, April 30 days, May 31, June 30, जुलाई. अब यहाँ जुलाई आ गया 31, अब फिर कब खत्म हो गया, फिर यहाँ से स्टार्ट करें. तो जुलाई, अगस्त 31 अगेन 31 डेज, अगस्त, सितंबर 30 डेज, सितंबर, अक्टूबर 31, नवंबर 30 डेज, दिसंबर 31 डेज. सो सिंपल, यू कैन काउंट दिस. आसानी से याद रख सकते हैं कि किस मंथ में कितना डेज होता है, कौन सा डेज किस मंथ में होता है. So students, in this video we have learned about some information. We have got some information about this chapter, measures of time. All of you will learn first these all things important for your knowledge. In next video we will do some other exercise of this chapter. Thank you.